Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to block NSFW channels in Telegram. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Telegram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to your top left corner over here where you see this 3 lines option, and from here just go to your settings. Once you are in the settings, just go to privacy and security option, which is just below notification and sounds. Once you go over here, just scroll a bit down until you find this sensitive contents. So as you want to block NSFW channels in Telegram, make sure this disable filtering option is turned off like this. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.